Hello everyone, I am Onam and today I am going to teach you Science Mission Class 4, Chapter number 1, How do plants make their food? Theoretical questions. A. Answer the following questions in brief. First, why do plants make their own food? Answer. Plants make their own food because, unlike animals, plants cannot wander in search of food. Second question. Define photosynthesis. The process by which leaves prepare food using water and minerals from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Third question. What is midrib? What is its function? Answer. Midrib is a thin tube that runs from the base to the tip of the leaf. It transports water and minerals to all parts of a leaf through side veins. Question number 4. List any two plant parts that store food. Give 2 examples each. Answer. Any two plant parts that store food are stems and seeds. Example: stems, onion, seeds, peas. Fifth question. What are insectivorous plants? Give 2 examples. Answer. Insectivorous plants are green plants that are able to make their own food, but they grow in soil that lack nutrients. Pitcher plant and Venus flytrap are the 2 examples of insectivorous plants. B. Answer the following questions in detail. First question. What happens during photosynthesis? During process of photosynthesis, food is prepared in the form of sugar and oxygen is given out by the leaves. Second question. What are the 3 things for which animals depend on plants? What are the 3 things for which plants depend on animals? Answer. The 3 things for which animals depend on plants are food, oxygen and shelter. The 3 things for which plants depend on animals are carbon dioxide, nutrients and diapause seeds. Now let us do number C. Label the following parts of a leaf. These are the things. First, leaf lamina. Second, vein. Third, midrib, and fourth is stalk. Now let us do think skills. Do you think that non-green plants carry out photosynthesis? Why or why not? No, non-green plants do not carry out photosynthesis because they don't have chlorophyll to make their leaf green, and without chlorophyll all the process of photosynthesis cannot happen. Second, if not, then how do they obtain nutrition? Non-green plants obtain nutrition by other green plants or by killing the insects and observing their nutrients. Now discuss this question and answer in your classroom and give reasons. Learning beyond classroom. Now it is like an activity. You have to draw and understand it. I am telling you what to do. Now you have to take an impression of a leaf. For that you need to take a dry leaf, a white paper and a pencil tip, and you have to pencil tip sideways, and you have to rub the pencil on that part of the paper which has leaf below it. Now you will get an impression of the leaf on paper having some dark lines on. See figure point A. It has some dark lines, and in figure point B we have got a complete impression of leaf on paper. These lines show veins of the leaf. Thank you for now.